Hey there, so there is this issue in Facebook that you can't turn off in app sounds in the Facebook app. This issue is on Android, um, and I think it happened after recent update. So I just found here some thread on Reddit, and yeah, what people are just suggesting first is just, yeah, if you use an Android, you can search for some older version on apkmirror.com and then just turn off in-app sounds. But here seems the better workaround, posted like 5 days ago. So go to Facebook app, open watch video section. Then there is a human icon in the left corner. It names your watch. Go into that icon. Then there will be options as saved videos, history, topics. Click on mobile data usage. Go to the down and there will be an app sound option. So follow this process. Try to do that. So if we go to Facebook, for me it's just interesting to see what he means. So you just need to go to the second tab, go to this person icon, human icon on the, then there will be like mobile your watch, seller data use, and video starts with sound, data saver. I don't see that. So yeah, somewhere here on Android there should be that option. It should be just called mobile. Maybe that's that. So there you have it. Try that. Also, you can uninstall and download Facebook Lite. These are just the suggestions. If you have better response to this, just leave it in the comments. Can be super helpful. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.